So I dyed my hair. It's not yet dry, but it's not wet. Yeah, this is the brand I used. This. And to answer the question you have in mind, no, it won't break my hair. It's not my first time dyeing my hair, so I'm used to it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I take care of my hair after I dyed it. First of all, you have to wash your hair. Then you deep condition it. Let me show you the deep conditioner I use. Okay, I use this. Yeah, this big bottle. You see, it's written what? A deep conditioning treatment. So this is what I use after I dyed my hair, and I combine it with the oil just to give it an extra slip, and then apply it and then leave it for 30 minutes. Yeah, it does have instructions. Where are the instructions? Yes, it says leave for 30 minutes. I don't know. Can you see? Leave for 30 minutes. Yeah. And this is what it does. It promotes hair growth for tingling, and then it relieves dry scalp. Yeah. So you see my hair is kind of tangled. See? Look at this. And then this deep conditioner is gonna help me like remove these tangles. So I washed my hair. Yeah, I washed my hair, and it's not yet dry. So, oh guys, shrinkage is a liar. I mean, look at this. Oh my gosh, shrinkage. Look at this, guys. Look. Okay, we have this. Ne? Okay, this is it, ne? And then just put in your oil. You don't have to put oil though, but then I just prefer putting oil. Okay, that's fine. And then you work in sections. Ooh. I'm just gonna show you one section, and then I'll do the rest. Make sure you cover every strand. So I'm done applying the deep conditioner. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Oh, my hair is so heavy. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the plastic bag. Yeah, and then leave it for 30 minutes. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then do the same procedure, same method. Yeah, I did in how I maintain my natural hair video. Yeah, it's the same thing, so I'm not gonna show it here because this video is just gonna be long. What's going on, my dear? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.